Hi everyone, this is Purnima Devi from SNS College of Technology. I am working as an assistant professor under AML department. Today I am going to discuss about a lot of things. So for example, k-nearest algorithms and also overfitting and underfitting in machine learning. So overfitting and underfitting in machine learning. So for we are going to move to this topic. I have discussed a lot of things about what do you mean by data mining and what do you mean by data science. So for example, if I am earning 10,000 this month, and next month I am going to earn over 50,000 this month, and after 5 years I am going to earn over 3 lakhs per month. So this is under predictions. That prediction is known as data mining. So from that predictions you are going to add some statistics, probability, and so many of algorithms. For example, many things is k-nearest, random forest, so many things algorithms you are going to add. This is known as data science. So if you are going to become a data scientist, means you have to know well about Python language. So it is not all main things which have been done earlier things. So now I am going to discuss about overfitting and underfitting in machine learning. Overfitting and underfitting in machine learning. So machine learning models aim to perform well on both training data and new data. So unseen data and is considered good if so machine learning models we can it can perform anything, whether the train if it contains training data means it can learn many things, new data means it also learn new things, unseen data. So unseen data also it has been performed very good. So if it has it learns patterns effectively from the training data. So it learns patterns effectively from the training data. So it generalizes well to new unseen data. It generalizes well to new unseen data. It avoids memorizing the training data, overfitting. So here training data is overfitting or failing to capture relevant patterns is underfitting. So these are the main things in this. So bias and variance in machine learning. So bias is the error that happens when a machine learning model is too simple and does not learn enough details from the data. It's like assuming all birds can only be small and fly. So the model fails to recognize big birds like ostriches or penguins that can't fly and get biased with predictions. These assumptions make the model easier to train but may prevent it from capturing the underlying complexities of the data. So high bias typically leads to underfitting, where the model performs poorly on both training and testing data because it fails to learn enough from the data. Example, a linear regression model applied to the data with the non-linear relationship. Basic term signals. It refers to the true underlying pattern of the data that helps machine learning model to learn from the data. Noise. Noise is unnecessary and irrelevant data that reduces the performance of the model. Bias. Bias is a prediction error that is introduced in the model due to oversimplifying the machine learning algorithms, or it is the difference between the predicted values and actual values. Variance. So if the machine learning models performs well with the training dataset but does not perform well with the test data, then variance occurs. What is overfitting? When a model performs very well for training data but has poor performance with the test data, it is known as overfitting. Reasons for overfitting. So data used for training is not cleaned and contains noise. So in the model has a big variance. Size of the training dataset used is not enough, and the model is too complex. So ways to tackle overfitting: use k-fold cross validation, use regularization techniques such as lasso and ledge. So training model with the sufficient data, adopting assembling techniques. So what is underfitting? So if a model has not learned the patterns in the training and is unable to generalize well on the new data, it is known as underfitting. An underfit model has poor performance on the training data and will result in unreliable predictions. Underfitting occurs due to high bias and low variance. Reasons for underfitting. Data used for training is not cleaned and contains noise. It didn't. The model has a high bias. The size of the training data used is not enough. Model is too simple. Ways to tackle underfitting: increase the number of features in the data set, increase model complexity, reduce noise in the data, increase the duration of training the data. Thank you.